Good morning everyone, I am Mr. Ish. You are joining me for a circle problems video here, a highly relevant video. Find the area of the circle that's present before you. You know within that circle we have a diameter which represents the hypotenuse of a inscribed right triangle. The one side is a 3, the other side being a 4. You have to find the area of that circle. I want you to look at those numbers 3s and 4 and think of this. 3, 4 and 5. These are some of the Pythagorean ratios which you should memorize. If one side is a 3, the other one is a 4, the hypotenuse must be 5. In addition, how about this? 6, 8 and 10. If two sides are 6 and 8, then the hypotenuse must be 10, and likewise this last one, 5, 12, 13. These are the Pythagorean ratios that should be committed to memory, so you don't waste time trying to find the hypotenuse. If this is 3, this is 4 for this right triangle, the hypotenuse is a 5, and that's the diameter. We now know the diameter of that circle because this is a chord going from one side to the other side of the circle, but through the center, it's equal to 5. The radius must equal to half of that, 5 over 2. Area is equal to pi r square, which is pi times 5 over 2 square, and you know your answer will be 25 over 4 pi, and that will be the answer you'd want to check off, and you'd be right. This second and last question looks much more complicated than it really is. We have to find the length of that arc A. We're looking at this little arc over here and we're calling that arc A. We have to find that length. We have a circle with a diameter. This right here is the center. We have a triangle which is drawn, a right triangle, and our focus is right in this part. You don't need to be worrying about arc lengths or the formula or any of that. Think about this. If you're looking at a circumference of this circle, the entire circle, and then you're just looking at in terms of that specific part, you're looking at 1/4 of that entire circle. And how do we know we're looking at 1/4? Because we have a 90 degrees. You know, a full circle is 2 pi or 360 degrees, and if you're looking at only from here to here, 90 degrees, which is pi over 2, we're looking at 1/4 of that. What are the circumferences for that entire circle, which you can easily calculate? Just divide that by 4 and it'll give you the measure of length A. And I've given you the radius over here as 4. Circumference is equal to 2 pi times 4, which is equal to 8 pi. And I've already told you we're looking at 1/4 of that because of this 90 degrees. Then 90 divided by 360 is 1/4. Anyhow, you're going to take this and divide it by 4, and your answer for that segment will be 2 pi. A over here is equal to 2 pi, the length of that arc, and you are done. So keep this simple concept here in your mind. Never try to make your questions more complicated than they have to be by trying to remember what the formula for an arc length is. You know that S is equal to r theta. You don't even need to go there. You can just logically solve this and go through with that. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned. Have a nice day.